This video is an overview of how to set up the Intex 3,785 liters per hour filter pump. The pump is intended for use with 488 centimeters and smaller above-ground pools. Please follow all the instructions and recommendations in your owner's manual when setting up your pump. Failure to do so could result in injury or product damage. Setting up your pump is simple and easy. Follow these guidelines. Do not plug the pump into an electrical outlet until you have finished setting up the pump. Do not turn the pump You may now fill the pool with water. Make sure the legs are snug against the pool wall as it fills. Do not fill the pool beyond the sleeve seam. As the pool fills, water will flow into the hoses and the pump, trapping some air in the system. It is necessary to release the air, or water will not circulate. Make sure the pump is not plugged into an electrical outlet. Open the air release valve on top of the filter housing. Gently shake the hoses to help purge the air. When water flows out of the top of the filter housing, close the air release valve again, finger tight. Refer to the manual for complete instructions for releasing trapped air. You may now plug the filter pump into a GFCI or RCD electrical outlet. The pump will begin working immediately. If your pump features a GFCI RCD electrical plug, follow the instructions in the manual to test the circuit before each use. Do not use the pump if the test fails. Disconnect the power cord until the fault has been corrected. Refer to the manual for the recommended number of hours to run your filter pump and for complete instructions. If water is not flowing into the pool, air may still be trapped between the filter pump and the pool. Unplug the electric cord. Open the air release valve above the filter housing and gently shake the hoses up and down until water runs out of the valve. Close the air release valve. Then plug in the pump to resume operation. The filter cartridge will clean effectively for about 2 weeks. At that time, check to see if it needs to be replaced. Before checking the filter, stop the flow of water through the system. Refer to the manual for replacing the inlet jet and strainer nozzle with the provided black hat-shaped plugs inside your pool. The plugs prevent water from overflowing when opening the pump's cover. Then open the air release valve, unscrew the housing collar, and remove the cover. Examine the filter cartridge. If your cartridge is dirty or brown in color, try spraying it clean with a garden hose. If it cannot be rinsed off easily, the filter should be replaced with cartridge number 29000 marked A. With proper care and maintenance, your filter system will give you years of clean, fresh water.